Good day everyone. My name is Ronnie GRANADEROS, 43 years old, married, father of 3 children, and currently living in Davao City, Philippines. I am a fabricator welder for 23 years. 17 years of that experience is working abroad. On my local employment, I was employed in 3 local company, and their business is steel fabrication and auto repair shop. And my duties in local employment is we do any type of steel fabrication, such as steel trusses for building and houses, for roofing frame, and also include fabrication of steel pins, steel grills, steel gate for the houses, and we also do customized fabrication of steel furniture, and that includes chair, tables, beds, and any type of steel fabrication that you use on the office and house. And on my employment abroad, I was employed in Pacific International Incorporated back in 2001. The company is located at Majuro, Republic of Marshall Island, and I was employed as a fabrication welder. And my primary duty is carried out repair and also fabricate parts for the heavy equipment machineries. And also I was involved, I was assigned on some of the project of the company, and one of that project is the Rongelap Dock construction project, and I was assigned as a maintenance welder. Exxon Mobil bottom tank replacement and pipeline installation, and my duties and responsibilities in that project is a lead welder who do the cutting out of the damaged materials, do the layout of the new plate and install in place, tack in, and do the pull welding until it was completed. And after that project, I was also assigned to work with a group of welder in U.S. Embassy security fence upgrading project. On that project, we fabricate heavy duty steel pins, heavy duty steel gate, and heavy duty steel window frame. After the U.S. Embassy project, I was assigned into the government-owned floating dry dock, managed and operated by Pacific International Incorporated, and I was assigned as a welder, and my duties is carried out repair on damaged part or defected part of the ships, and also on the dry dock itself. After I was working, 1 year after I was working as a welder, I was temporary operation in charge when that time that my supervisor leave for another job opportunity on another country. So I was temporary in charge for 3 months time, and after the 3 months period, I was finally promoted as a supervisor on the dry dock. Now, my duties and responsibilities in the dry dock is I'm the operation in charge, supervise the whole operation, and um, I'm the one who do the inspection and also communicate on the customer, and then do the estimate of the materials needed, identify the materials needed, and prepare the purchasing, submit into the office. And while we are working, I supervise the whole operation to make sure that the um, work standard will be carried out. And I am the one who do the daily job report for the accomplishment, and also I am the one who make the billing and turnover after I make the billing turnover to the office for the final billing. I was working at the dry dock until the contract of the company has ended, and after that I was moved into the general welding, fabrication and maintenance department. As a head of that department, I have to ensure that the department will perform what they are supposed to be. I ensure that the department I handle will function what it's supposed to be, by leading the rest of my crew to work accordingly, with dedication to help the company. My duties and responsibilities is arrange the schedule of the project to make sure that we accommodate all the job given to us, and I assign my crew to a different daily job, and also I conduct regularly safety meeting, and that was every first day of a week, and every day I do inspection, and on each project that was given to us, before we will start the project, I study the plan so I can identify materials going to be needed, and also the quantity of the materials needed, so I can make the order of the materials and to be delivered into my job site. And I conduct a safety meeting to avoid any accident or damage on the facilities. And on any job, before it was marked as done, I will do the inspection for any defects, and if everything is done, then it will be moved to the painting department. So my my overall duties is to look look after all the operation and provide materials needed, guide my crew, and also communicating the the upper department, or communicating the direct superior, and carried out the project to get it done. Hi, I'm Ronnie Granaderos, and we are here at TISDA Region 11 Trade School, and we are going to do a sample welding for flat welding, vertical, overhead, and horizontal welding. Right now we have a materials right here, which is it's 6 mm by 50 mm by 160 mm steel plate, and we're going to attach these two plates. So on one side we can perform flat welding, and on the other side we're going to perform the vertical welding. Okay, stay tuned. It's already been tacked, so
we are going to perform now, first, the vertical position of welding. Just get done the vertical position of welding. Okay. Next, we will do the flat. Now we just get the flat position done, and this is the welding on flat position. Okay, so now we are going to tuck in on the other side so we can perform the overhead and the horizontal position. So now we are going to tuck in on the other side so we can perform the overhead and the horizontal position. And this is the horizontal welding. And the next one is the overhead. And we have the overhead pass.